dreaming of earning your master's degree in the UK? In this video, we will walk you through the complete journey, from university applications, securing funding, preparing for your visa, and finally, finding your new home. If you're planning to study for a master's program in the UK, this is the guide you need. Stay tuned till the end for all the important details. Studying in the UK is a dream for many students around the world. With world-class universities, globally recognized degrees, and a vibrant cultural environment, it is no wonder the UK is a top destination for international students. Applying for a master's program in the UK is a straightforward process, but it differs slightly from undergraduate applications. Most universities allow you to apply directly through their websites, no need for platforms like UCAS. In many cases, you can receive an admission offer within a few weeks. The essential documents you will need are your bachelor's degree certificate, HND, or diploma, along with your official transcripts. A carefully written personal statement explaining your academic background, career goals, and reasons for choosing the course and university. 2 academic references, or sometimes 1 academic and 1 professional reference. A valid passport. Proof of English language proficiency, usually through an IELTS certificate, TOEFL, or even your WAS if it is less than 10 years old. Your CV and any additional relevant academic documents. A strong, customized personal statement is crucial. Tailoring it to each university can significantly increase your chances of being accepted. One of the biggest concerns for many students is funding. While scholarships are available, they are often competitive and may not cover all expenses. Most UK universities offer automatic partial scholarships when you apply successfully. However, to secure major scholarships, you need to apply separately. Top scholarship options include Chevening scholarships, fully funded by the UK government. Fulbright scholarships. Marshall scholarships. Commonwealth shared scholarships for students from developing countries. Remember, these scholarships have strict deadlines, so early preparation is key. If scholarships are not enough, there is another option, student loans. Prodigy Finance offers loans specifically designed for postgraduate students. They do not require collateral or a cosigner, and they offer a minimum loan amount of $10,000. This loan can cover both your tuition and living expenses. Getting a loan certificate can also help you bypass the requirement of paying a large tuition deposit before getting your CAS. We will cover the full process of applying for a Prodigy Finance loan in a future video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Now, after accepting an offer and receiving your CAS, or confirmation of acceptance for studies, the next step is applying for your UK student visa, Tier 4. The documents you will need include your CAS letter from the university, a valid passport with at least 2 blank pages, financial documents such as bank statements showing sufficient funds for tuition and living expenses, a birth certificate and a letter of sponsorship if your parents or guardians are funding your education, a tuberculosis test certificate if required for your country. A crucial point to remember: the required amount of money needed to be in your bank account must remain untouched, or the total amount shouldn't fall below the needed amount for at least 28 consecutive days before your visa application. Even a small withdrawal can cause a visa delay or a possible refusal. Once your visa is approved, it's time to find a place to live. Accommodation options include university halls of residence, which are convenient but may be more expensive. Private housing or shared flats, found through websites like Rightmove, Student.com, and SpareRoom. When choosing private accommodation, always verify whether utility bills such as gas, electricity, and internet are included in the rent. Be cautious of scams. Where possible, arrange virtual viewings and never send money without confirming the legitimacy of the property and the landlord. Using reputable agents can make the process much easier. Be prepared to pay a deposit, usually equivalent to 1 month's rent, before moving into your new home. The journey to studying for a master's degree in the UK involves several important steps: applying to universities, finding funding, preparing your visa documents, and securing accommodation. While it may seem complex at first, early preparation and careful planning can make everything much smoother and less stressful. Apply early. Stay organized. And don't hesitate to seek guidance when needed. The UK offers incredible opportunities for academic, personal, and professional growth. With the right preparation, you will be ready to make the most of your master's experience. Good luck on your journey to the United Kingdom. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful guides, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.